Okay, I'm talking about some modified hydraulic systems on M's and H's. This one is my 41M that I built my own hydraulic system. I used a PTO pump. I had a shaft welded on to the belly pump drive and hung a PTO drive pump under there. I got a 10-gallon reservoir. Got a temperature gauge and level there. Come around to the other side, and I have 2 spool valves, filter, safety disconnects back there. Now this one is a 1000 RPM pump because this has the M&W overdrive, so that shaft will spin 1000 RPM in overdrive. Next, 49M I picked up with the Heisler Overdrive, and a farmer made his own hydraulic system here. We've got a chain drive live hydraulic pump off the crankshaft using taper lock sprockets, and then he runs a belt off of that to a power assisted steering. He had a loader on this, so that was handy, and just has the reservoir back here, single spool valve mounted there. I think they used it for raking sometimes as well as the loader. I don't know if I can get in here and see much for the drive off of the crankshaft, but yeah, there you go. So that actually runs pretty quiet, works really well. And then the first hydraulic system I built on this 42H, I run power steering and the hydraulics off of this, a belt drive pump. I had a drive pulley machine to fit on the front of the crankshaft with a roll pin through it. It's about a 12 gallon per minute pump. The belt slips at about 1000 psi, which is more than enough for mowers and rakes and things. This one's got a little nicer spool valve on it. High quality cross valve with 1 float. And I have quick disconnects back there. And I used the belly reservoir for it. And it also has an oil cooler in front of the radiator. I got the hoses going up there, so that helps keep it cool. But I am going to add another reservoir to this because the hydraulic oil still gets pretty warm. That's the priority flow valve so that the power steering gets priority. And that's the Speco wide front on that one. This one's got the original IH, and this one's got a Schwartz wide front end. There's my hydraulic systems.